Hi everyone! Today we're going to be crocheting these really quick and easy oven mitts for your elf on the shelf. And don't forget to check the links in the description for my other elf on the shelf crochet pattern tutorials. And for this I am working with some size 3 lightweight yarn. This is by the KC brand yarn. And I'm also going to be using a size F or 5 or 3 3/4 millimeter crochet hook. And we're going to begin with a magic circle. So take your tail and drape it over your working yarn and pinch that intersection. Insert your crochet hook, and then we're just going to yarn over and pull through that little loop. We're going to separate our loop out like this, still holding on to our tail, and we're going to chain 1. Then working over our tail and our loop, we're going to place 8 single crochets inside of our little magic circle. Once you have your 8 single crochets in place, we're going to pull on our tail to tighten the gap in our little magic circle, and we're going to place a slip stitch in the top of our first single crochet. You have the option of crocheting over your tail by just lining it up with your stitches and working right over it like it is part of your stitch. From here, we're going to chain 1 and working in the back loop only, which is the loop furthest away from you when you're looking at your stitch of the current stitch where we just worked. We're going to place a single crochet. Then we're just going to place 1 single crochet in the back loop only of each stitch in our row for a total of 8 single crochet stitches. And when you get to the end of your row, it should look something like this. From here, we're going to skip our slip stitch and our chain 1, and we're going to place a slip stitch in the top of our first single crochet. And from here, we're just going to repeat our last row. And when you get to the end of your row, you're going to skip your slip stitch and your chain 1, and then place 1 slip stitch in the top of your first single crochet. For our next row, we are going to chain 3, and then we're going to place a triple crochet in the front loop only of our current stitch. So to do that, yarn over twice and then insert your crochet hook in the front loop only of your current stitch. Yarn over and pull through your loop, and then yarn over and drop 2 loops at a time to complete the stitch. Then working in the same stitches back loop, we're going to place 1 single crochet here. Then we're going to place 1 single crochet in the back loop only of each of the remaining 7 stitches in our row. And right here at the end of your row, go ahead and work in your little slip stitch. I know we normally don't, but work in that back loop only of your slip stitch. Push your little thumbs forward, and then right here in this second single crochet, so this is sort of the single crochet in that back loop, we're going to skip that one and go right here into our second single crochet. We're going to place a slip stitch there. From here, we're going to chain 1, and then working in the back loop only of our current stitch, we're going to place 1 single crochet and then 1 single crochet in the back loop only of each of our stitches for a total of 8 single crochets. At the end of your row, you're going to skip your slip stitch and your chain 1 and place 1 slip stitch in the top of your first single crochet. And we are just going to repeat our last row for this next row. When you get to the end of your row, you're going to cut and tie off your yarn. And so now you're done with your little oven mitt. Go ahead and repeat this pattern for your second oven mitt. And once you're done with your other oven mitt, they should look something like this. Don't forget to check the links in the description for my other crochet elf on the shelf accessories. As always, thank you so much for taking the time to crochet with me, and I hope you have a wonderful, awesome day and a really safe and happy holiday season.